At long last, Trill is a free man. Here is the evening news. It is reported that 59 arrests were made today and 13 Securico agents injured in violent clashes at the 2-month-old pickets of Alpha Detention Center. Speaking from the center, a spokesman from the Free Javda Now campaign told our reporter that a gross miscarriage of justice had been perpetrated against an innocent man. The Securico captain on the scene, however.
What are those jerks up to now? Well, I fixed them before. Let's see. I wonder if we have a record.
Searching. Jadfa found.
Ah, good.
Downloading. Jadfa Mark Antony, detained for the murder of Councillor Dran, 15/03/2017, who had died under interrogation by Model 46 Securidroid.
Killed by police droids?
No case filed.
No wonder they covered it up.
Ready. Pattern recognition, net A491B2 initiating. Searching. Found. Probability 0.98 match. Found. Probability 0.72 match. Found.
What the?
264 similar. 0.71 probability cases found.
Deltana.
Listen,
Hey, Trill, what's up?
can you do me a favor?
What?
Find out what you can about the latest security droids. I think they're malfunctioning.
You what?
Yeah, check file 009967. Access code Delta 6.
Hang on.
Sir, transmission from Zone 669-881A. A transmission of privilege code.
Alert! Alert! Alert!
Line tap. Meet you at Rendezvous 4.
Okay.
Hey guys. Welcome back.
Trill, guess what? The Feds messed up real bad. They've spent millions on the new cop droids, and every so often they go haywire. Something to do with magnetic storms. So BioCorp have been framing innocent people to cover it up.
You know we gotta help him. And with enough evidence, we can go above the Feds to the Empire and shut him down for good. We'll have to break into the detention center and spring him.
But they may not know anything.
We gotta try.